Now it's that time of year when seagulls get protective about their chicks. And for Tom Ellis, who lives in a bungalow in Prestatyn, it's turned into a case of duck and cover whenever he leaves his home. Now, he's been advised by his local council to use an umbrella to protect himself from attacks by the gulls nesting on his roof. Well, Ian Lang is there. Ian, I gather you haven't had a warm welcome.
No, we haven't had a warm welcome. If you notice me ducking and diving, getting very nervous, it's because the seagull on the roof there has been dive bombing me recently. I'm only a visitor here, but for poor old Tom Ellis, who lives here, here he goes. He's basically trapped in his house. Oh, oops, he's trapped in his house. Tom. Difficult times for you because you can't come out, basically, can you?
No, it's really hard. Every time I open this door to go out to work or anything like that, they're there dive bombing me, and I'm pretty nervous around birds, and they're just
well,
terrifying.
I've only been here for half an hour or so, and I'm sort of looking around. I mean, it's just he or she has disappeared for the moment. But for you, basically, is it isolation, or all you can do is go to work in the morning and come home in the evening?
I try and avoid them as much as possible, so sometimes that does mean like not going out as much as possible, and I try and not have family coming over because my dad's nervous with birds, and my little nieces and nephews are
The thing is, you don't hate them, you don't like them, but you're not against seagulls because you appreciate basically these seagulls are basically looking after their kids because they've nested on your roof.
Yeah, they're just looking after their own, and I think it's a case of just having to put up with them, I guess, as best I can, and try and avoid them, and try and sort of live as best we can.
I mean, that is really the debate, isn't it? Because these are the gulls are endangered, aren't they? And they're protected by law. And it's trying to find a way of how humans can live alongside them, and there needs to be a debate about that.
Yeah, I think there's a more nuanced conversation to just either being pro or against seagulls. I think it's a case of this situation's not ideal for me or them, so maybe there's got to be a solution going forward.
And you've had a lot of comments from around the country because this story went in a local newspaper, and it's gone mad. Yeah,
I couldn't believe it when it happened. I think it's a mixture of people really finding the T-shirt I was wearing funny, and then also just everyone's got an opinion on seagulls, it turns out.
So you use your umbrella?
Use the umbrella.
Every day?
Every day.
And it works?
Sunshine or rain, there's you with an umbrella.
And you've got it for a few more weeks yet, because they're going to come on the ground, the seagulls, aren't they?
Yeah, it's probably another three or four more weeks.
OK, thank you very much now. And like I say, I'm still very nervous. And as soon as, oh dear, as soon as I'm back to you, I'm getting in the car and I'm going home. Back to you.
Ian, I hope peace breaks out
Here
in Prestatyn.
Whoa!
Pretty soon.
I don't think so. We're in the open now.